Introducing the all-new Timex Ironman Easy Trainer GPS watch. A great watch for runners who want to keep it simple with the essential information of how far and how fast right there on their wrist. This is an update to the Timex Marathon GPS watch. We've made this easier to use, more durable, and we've added an interval training feature. First things first though, before you use the watch, you must charge it. A full charge will take 4 hours, and that will give you 8 hours of GPS use. Take the charging cable, plug it into the USB port on your computer, and then attach the charging clip so that the 2 pins on the clip touch the 2 outermost metal contacts on the back of the watch. The next step is adjusting your settings. Let's begin with the time of day. Press mode until set appears. Then press either the up button or the down button here. We'll go down 1, and there is time. Press OK. You have time 1 or time 2. We'll press time 1 and OK. You can do it manually or automatically with the GPS. We will do it manually. Press OK. And then at this point, it's just a matter of adjusting the time to fit your time zone. Up or down. Press OK when you want to move forward. And keep pressing OK until you're happy with that. You can go 24 hours or 12 hours. And that's it. The next step is adjusting your user settings. Again, go to Set, cycle through until you see User, press OK, and then again up or down to press male or female, OK, age up or down, press OK, weight up or down to adjust how much you weigh, and this will help with calorie information later when you're doing your runs. Height, okay, and that's it. Back out to go back to time, which will bring you back to your main screen. And this is how you set your auto lap feature. Press mode until set appears. It's actually the first screen, and this is what you adjust to have your watch take a split every mile marker. We press OK, and we can take a split every 1 mile, every 2 miles, every 3 miles, and so on. We'll just set it to go off every 1 mile, press OK, have the alert notify you, yes, OK, and that's as simple as it gets. Finally, we'll set our interval timer. There are 5 segments which we'll repeat, great for workouts in which you want to change the duration of each different workout leg. So we hit the mode button until set appears. Timer is the word we're looking for. Press OK, and here is segment 1. It's flashing. We press OK to move through the time segment, and I'll press the first one as 5 minutes. This will be the first segment, and it'll be the warm-up segment. Press OK, cycle through. 1 is flashing. Now we'll set our second segment. OK. Now we'll make our second part of our workout a little bit longer. Let's go 15 minutes. Press OK. Segment 3 will make 5 minutes. Segment 4, we'll do one more big workout. We'll go 15 minutes. And we have our 5th segment, and we'll make this 5 minutes for like a 5-minute cool down. And when you're done, just hit the mode button and back out. And that's how you set your interval timer. Now before we go for a run, we must turn on the GPS to acquire a satellite fix. And it's very important that you don't start running until that satellite fix is locked. And make sure you're away from tall buildings and trees, and make sure the watch is facing up and stand still. Press and hold the GPS on and off button. You'll see the satellite icon in bars flashing in the upper right-hand corner of the watch, searching for a signal. It turns solid when you have a fix. The more bars, the stronger the signal. One note of caution, heavy cloud cover or rain may make it difficult to acquire a satellite fix, and the GPS turns off automatically if no satellite signal is detected for 15 minutes. Now that everything is set up, let's go for a run. And while you're running, your watch records your speed, pace, distance, and calorie data, which is based on your user profile settings that we set up earlier. Press mode until run appears. And since we've already acquired a GPS signal, it should show up right away. Once you press start, the workout begins timing. At any time during your workout, press the view button to change what you see during your run. For example, chrono, distance, and clock at the bottom. Press it again, you'll see pace at the bottom. The top two lines are the same. Speed, calorie data, clock again. When you're finished, press the stop button down here below. Hold one more time to save the workout. And if you're done working out, go ahead and press this red button over here, the on and off GPS button. Hold it for a couple of seconds and it will turn off the GPS for you, which will preserve the battery life. To review your workout, press mode until you see the word review. Your most recent saved workout is first, followed by the date, and the bottom line is your workout number by day. If you see a G next to it, that means it was recorded using GPS. If there's an H, that means it was done indoors. Let's look at one of the workouts I've done recently. Press OK to review that information. The top two lines are the start time and finish time of that workout, followed by the distance run. Press OK for the next screen. Chrono, distance, average pace, average speed and calories burned, lap detail, and when you're done, you have the option to delete that individual workout or delete all workouts. Go back to View and press OK. Press Mode to exit back to the time. To use the interval feature, press Mode until you see Interval Timer. These are the numbers we set earlier. To refresh your memory, press this button right here and you can look at the time of each segment. When you're ready to begin that workout, all you have to do is press start and it starts to count down. It'll move to each segment after each segment is done counting down, and you'll hear 5 beeps after each segment is complete. Again, this cycle will repeat until you press Save Stop and then hold to reset. The Timex Ironman Easy Trainer GPS is a simple and accurate watch, perfect for runners who want essential information and nothing more complicated. Check it out at your local sports store today.